It's tornado. Today's seen all sorts of weather. We've had wind, rain and even some snow over some of the high parts of northern England and southern Scotland. The more rain is now pushing into the west of Britain as this cloud moves in from the Atlantic, the little area of low pressure, and we've still got quite strong winds buffeting southwestern parts of the British Isles. So it's a pretty unsettled scene and will stay that way through today and tonight. So gales then, especially in the west, and those strong winds up to 50 or 60 mile an hour gusts transferring northwards later on. So windy then, and still windy with the rain on Friday, but we're going to see some changes in the southeast. We've got high pressure across the near continent, and that's going to gradually build in across southeastern Britain through this weekend. That will bring a change. We'll see somewhat milder weather for many southeastern areas and at least some sunshine. So improving. At the moment though, well, as I said earlier, we do have gales in the southwest, a rather blustery scene, and we've seen rain spinning quickly eastwards across much of central Britain. It did turn wintry over some of the higher Pennine routes and across into the southern uplands. It's starting to weaken now though, so an improving picture here through the afternoon, whilst now through mid Wales and across into Southern Ireland we're seeing more rain arriving. So it will turn wet, windy and really quite unsettled, I think, across much of Northern Ireland, northwestern parts of England, Wales, eventually into Dumfries and Galloway. So they're pretty wet end to the day. The east though staying, I think, largely dry after that rain's gone, and I think a touch brighter. Now with that southwest wind freshening all the time, we are going to see it turning very mild across much of central and southern Britain. Temperatures up to 11 or 12 degrees for many parts of central Britain. That's well above normal. Tonight, a mild night as well, with rain continuing to affect northern and western areas, but I think we'll see things turning somewhat windier still in the north, as I said, with a risk of gale force winds. Lowest temperatures around 7 or 8 degrees.